All right, I have a pressure balancing valve that needs to be replaced in this. Let's remove the end cap. Take off the faucet handle. A flathead screwdriver. Remove the faceplate. It's just a slide on. Remove 2 screws on the faceplate. These are pretty long, so it takes a while to get them off. When you put them back, you don't have to tighten it too tight because you can deform the plate. You just want to hold it snug against the wall. Another faceplate to come off. Now we're lucky there's a shut-off valve here, so I'll just shut it off. Okay, double checking it. Make sure the water's off. Yep, the water's off. Take off the ceramic cartridge. This part's brand new. I just put it in this morning, but it wasn't enough to stop the leak. So it obviously wasn't the whole problem. So comes off with 3 screws. And here's the part. So you don't want to put this on upside down. This is the pressure balancing valve, the part that needs to be replaced. It's held on with a brass bracket. I like to think of it as a teddy bear. You want the teddy bear standing up. If you put it in upside down, the thing will work, but it'll only give you cold water. These are pretty short screws. This part pulls out, but it's sort of bulged. So it's not that easy to get out. There we go, it's starting to come out. All right, so this thing, you can see the bulge. That's probably where the drip is. Here's the new one. We want to put it in teddy bear up. Okay, that's pretty tight. All right, 2 screws on the top, 1 on the bottom. So both of these parts can be gotten at Ace or at Home Depot. I don't think Ace has them, but the first part I got was a genuine Jado replacement. The second one was American Standard substitute, but it looked the same, and so I'm sure it'll work. Okay, so now I'll open the valves. You need to open them all the way. If you don't, the pressure balancer, the pressure won't be balanced and it'll rattle. Thud, 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 thud. Okay, tight, unloosened all the way. All right. Loosened all the way. I don't hear any dripping, which is a good sign. Earlier this morning I saw this valve was dripping. I want to make sure that's not dripping now. Doesn't appear to be. A little hot water comes out, because that was my problem earlier. It's getting hot. Okay, good. It's done. I'll probably try and fix the leak here, but everything else just goes back in the order it came off.